So for this assignment we chose the relative humidity unit. So it's a closed environment with a mist system. So there is a relative humidity of 84%. As we can see, it's young plants. There is also lights on top of the unit, and it's covered by plastic film. So this environment needs to be closed, otherwise the relative humidity is going out, and I think that the plants does not need that much water, and only a little amount of water by hand maybe, because as we can see the soil is humid and the mist is going through the whole unit. So we are basically going to make measurements at the front, the middle and the rear of the unit to try to understand what's the outcome between the light present in the unit and the light outside the unit. So what do we need to explain for this? It's basically the difference of lights.
Yes.
So we're going to make measurements of the lights on top of the unit. So for now it's 52. And we're going to see underneath the plastic film how much the light is getting stopped by the plastic film. So as we can see, we have now value of 19, so the light is obviously getting stopped by the plastic film very hard. I think that's all. So we are below the light. No, I think we will need a ladder to make more precise measurements, but for now we have 46 as a value. And we are going to look underneath. And for example, it's 21. It's a bit higher than at the front. And we're going. Okay. So now, for example, we have a value of 36 because we are not below the LED light, and we're going to measure inside what it's measuring. So inside there is a value of 19, just like in the front of the unit. So we are going to put the data logger in this unit for a few days just to observe the relative humidity. So the machine is set on 84%, so we should expect a relative humidity of about 84% with like a regular greenhouse temperature, so I would say 18 to 20 degrees. So I will just put it in there and we'll see the data as we will collect on Monday. Okay, so today we retrieved the data logger in the relative humidity unit. We disposed it on Friday and fetched it on Monday. Basically what we can see is what we expected, so the relative humidity remained between 80% and 100%. Concerning the temperature, we can see that the temperature rises when the sun is shining, and during the night it drops around 14 degrees Celsius. So we basically can observe the expectations that we made when we put the data logger on Friday.